Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I'm making this video just to congrats my subscribers again because today was a huge gain and I think we made money left and right, you can say, like we just killed the day. Even though we saw up and down for many different stocks, but the stock picks we made huge gain and it really feels good, like when I make a video and say this stock is going to break out and the very next day it breaks out, and also like it respects the support and resistance I draw. So it's a very good feeling when your stock is behaving the way you want. At the same time you get some profit from that. So let's look at some of the stocks that we gained a lot today. So the first one, I want to show you the profile again. Just for today, you see the percent change for some of the calls, like 249%, mostly they are option. Then BBBY, then we have OTRK 151%, SDC, I will make a video about SDC later today. Also then you can see that the FUBO 87%, Messi 73%, Messi again another strike price 63%, IDEX 58%, BBBY again 48%, MVs 44%, SPCE 40%, AMC 38%, and the list goes on. So it was a very good day, like one of the best days I had, and I played option mostly today and just did a killing today. Anyway, so BBBY, so this morning the stock started around like $30 and it went up to like $47. I think we got a pop of like 60% today. So yeah, then we went up to $47, we came down and I sold my position when we were around $44, and I re-entered a couple of times, but then I gave up, and I was lucky that then the whole day the stock was going down. The after hour the stock is a little bit high, but I'm out. I gained a lot from last 3 or 4 trading days, so no complaint at all. Then OEG, the other one, right? So this one I made a video here, then video here, and let's see, like this morning like we jumped 75%. So some good news came for that particular stock. So the stock ran up a lot. Then currently this is sitting here, I'm watching the level $8. I sold my position yesterday. I wish I hold, but anyway I gained a lot, and I might re-enter again. I will watch tomorrow, like if we can hold that $8, like this line 7.8 or $8 mark, then maybe I will just buy again. And I'm playing with options, so my gains are huge, right? So the AMC, this is the video I made during the weekend. I said it's about to pop, and it popped this morning. So this stock gaps up, it went high, and still like this stock is going good, and even the after hours the stock is high, doing good, right? What about OEG? Yeah, and PLTR is the other one. We did a very good job last Friday. It was a huge gain, and again today the stock came down, went up, but end of the day we are holding strong. It's 11% up, so just making like from $26 to $36 in 2 days. That's a huge profit, and we know like tomorrow will be a demo day for PLTR, so things, it can pop more or it can come down, it depends. But anyway, for the pre-anticipation run of the demo day, like that stock gives a huge opportunity. Then the IDEX, again, that video came last night I guess, and I said it's gonna pop, and it popped this morning, and today we popped up to 20%. So in the morning I was busy with some other stocks, so I did not buy that stock, but end of the day, like when I saw the stock is going up around like 3.9-ish, that time I entered again and I bought an option, and I can see that the stock is holding good. It seems like it will break and it will go up. If not, I can wait because my option expiry is in March, and I think even the post after hour we are above that resistance, so I think it will pop tomorrow again. CBET, the same thing, the video came this weekend, and you see like we popped today, we came down, we went up, and how good the stock is following the support we drew previously. So again, I see this stock can go up to like $10-11. I haven't made a position yet. I was busy with other stock, but I got out of many stocks today, so I might make another position tomorrow for this particular stock. SPCE, I said like I entered this particular play on Friday, and you see like there was a gap up this morning. We went up like 14%, and then all the way we came down. I sold my position here, I think around $37 something or $38, and I did not enter that particular stock, even though throughout the day I see the stock is going up and down. Still I see if it opens up this area, and we know the huge short interest 70 to 80%. If we can again like cross 78 or the previous high of $38-39, this stock will explode. So still I'm keeping an eye on this particular stock. Then OPTT, so there's another one. I made a video here. I said it will pop back to back 3 days. We had a pop. So currently we are sitting around like 5.9, but we ran up to 7.27, something like that. But it's a clean energy stock, so not bad. AYRO, this one did not break out, but what we did today, I drew the pattern previously, and I said keep an eye, and I found that for last few days the stock is bouncing off that particular green line around 6.3. Today it came like 10% down. It bounced off that particular black channel. Then when it was over that green line, I entered into a position, and I also I think I tweeted also, like made some comments in Facebook and everything. So whoever is following me in Twitter and also in Facebook, so they got the notification, and I said I'm buying a March expiry option. And after that, because I bought around 6.3, 6.7, and the post market this is 7.15, so the call option is already printing money. And maybe if the after hour or the pre-market is high, maybe we will break tomorrow that resistance of 7.25. we break out the pattern, then maybe we can run up to $8-9. So seems like very bullish for this particular stock. The last one is the SKT, that particular stock. In my next video I will talk about SKT and SDC, but again I tweeted today about this particular stock because I said it will go up. So when I made the call, I purchased the option. I went up to here, I sold, came down, and when again I entered around this area, and I'm still holding. And in the next video I will talk about this particular stock. So anyway, end of the day, a great day, lots of profit, and I'm planning to make like more videos. I think tonight I will introduce another 2 to 4 stocks, maybe in 2 videos. So stay tuned. If you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all the notifications from me. Anyway, thank you, my friend. Have a wonderful evening. Take care, my friends. Peace.